Guess what? Today we are making DIY cotton candy bath bomb for doggos. We'll all be here while Mommy makes them. You'll need a large mixing bowl, baking soda, coconut oil, cornstarch, a mold, lavender oil, measuring cups, containers, citric acid, Epsom salt, and water. Now let's get this party started. First we start with the dry ingredients. 2 cups of baking soda, 1 cup of citric acid, 1 cup of cornstarch, and half cup of Epsom salt. Mix it all together while we watch Mommy work her magic. It can get a little messy, which is why we're up here, safe and sound because it looks so yummy. Basil needed a pee break, but he'll be back. Next, we combine the wet ingredients. 4 tablespoons of melted coconut butter, 2 tablespoons of water, and 15 to 20 drops of lavender oil for a relaxing bath experience. Mix it all together until it looks perfect. In a separate bowl, Mommy is transferring portions to make different colors. This part is optional, but to make colorful bath bombs, we're adding 2 drops of blue food coloring for a pretty baby blue color. In another bowl, Mommy added 2 drops of red food coloring. Mix it up until it looks like a pretty baby pink. These are for bay leaf. Using the heart mold, we made a super cute pink heart bath bomb. Mommy tried adding some dry rose petals to make it even cuter, but it didn't work out. She continued making the rest of the pink bath bombs using round molds, making about 6 pink ones and 3 mixed colored ones. They're so cute and looks delicious. Basil and I get the blue balls. Bath bombs, of course. Mommy was able to make 24 bath bombs in total. These DIY bath bombs can be used for fur babies and fur parents.